Hello, my steel hex head shoulder screw with a shoulder diameter of 9 millimeters and a shoulder length of 33 millimeters with a M by 1.25 millimeter thread of length 16.5 millimeter arrived today in this package. I bought it to replace this wheel or axle bolt for a Westinghouse wheel kit handle. Let's see what's on the inside of the package. It came in this envelope. It's still sealed and in good condition. There's no tear, so I'm going to open it now. Okay, so there's this receipt. And the screw, the shoulder screw. And this is what it looks like. This is the 9 millimeter diameter shoulder, 33 millimeter shoulder length with a M by 1.25 millimeter thread that's 16.5 millimeter length. It's just about 5.5 millimeters longer than the screw that I actually need, or the axle bolt that I actually need. And the shoulder actually looks a little bit thinner than what I was expecting. But hopefully this works. Thanks for watching.